Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the market. So let's go for Bitcoin. Where are we now? Yes sir, so for Bitcoin, we had a target over here. Last week we were saying, where's this $16,000? The target has already been hit. So is there going to be more downside? It feels like there's more downside. Feels like it. So how much more downside could we go? Two targets, 15,200 and then 14,000. These are the two immediate targets that we have. Will we hit both targets? We don't know. We are, like we've been saying, we are severely oversold. Moreover, there's huge volume. So two signs that things could be reversing. Moreover, if you look at it on the weekly, this is a double bullish divergence, right? Lower low on the price, but higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. Double bullish divergence. So there could be something coming on. There could be a reversal soon for Bitcoin. But yeah, this is a bit discouraging, right? If you look at this big red volume candlestick, it's a bit scary. So my guess is we're close to the end, but I can't say for sure how much lower, right? So even at this point of time, I myself am also very cautious about opening shots because I'm just not too sure about things. We're severely oversold and a rally could come on anytime. So we have to be very careful and we have to tread very carefully because we're just not too sure about things. So yeah, there you go. Those are my thoughts for Bitcoin. Wait, let me just look at total crypto market cap. Yeah, feels like, you know, we're still falling lower. Again, 5 waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we're very close to the end. So yeah, even for total 2 without Bitcoin, Ethereum, yeah, we're moving on to the 5th wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're down to 5, right? So yeah, even total 3 as well. Yeah, 5. It's all the same. So yeah, and you can see that this is a falling channel. So hopefully we see super rally come on, right? But of course we need to make preparations. Maybe an inverse head and shoulders. This would be great, but do not forget that there is still the CME gap at here 9,000. There's still a CME gap over here, which is very scary. So but I don't have any targets pointing towards there. This is just in theory that the gap will get filled. So there's also that thing at the back of my mind that this is also a danger. So we're treading very carefully. We're still not too sure about things, but yeah, there are some signs that the end is just not too far away. Moving on would be Ethereum, right? Ethereum USDT. Ethereum, we still have a target over here, 666. Again, no clear tradable chart patterns for Ethereum. You know, not here. You know, this could actually go both ways because this is something like a symmetrical triangle, and symmetrical triangles are usually bi-directional. They can go up or they can go down, right? I mean, of course, if you get a symmetrical triangle under the skinny pink line, we would assume that the subsequent trend is towards the downside. The preceding trend is down, and if you get a consolidation, symmetrical triangle, the assumption is that the subsequent trend is down. So that's what we're expecting for Ethereum. The only thing is that this is just a bit off, you know, in terms of the bearishness of the chart pattern. It's just a bit off. So yeah, if you look into it in the smaller time frames, sure, you can consider this as an inverse head and shoulders, hit targets. Now we're back down. Yeah, it's a bit off. So doesn't look like there's a trade for Ethereum though. We have a target, but there's just no trade. I just don't see the opportunity to put on a high quality trade, right? Ethereum against BTC, we're assuming that we're gonna form a symmetrical here, and we hit higher for Ethereum. That's the assumption. Will we get it? We're not too sure. Yeah, again, I still don't see the chart pattern yet. We see potential, but we haven't seen it complete yet. So at this point of time, we could still, you know, turn into. Okay, let me give you the bullish example, right? Bullish possibilities, right? Doing possibility plotting. This is value 1, we come down, go up, value 2, value 3, ascending triangle, boom, we break higher. Or if we come back down, we could get mountains over here, we break lower, boom, right? Either way, right? But yeah, I'm not too sure. We're just not too sure at this point of time. There's no trade yet. We have to wait several more weeks, even months before we get any sort of a clarity. Is there a possibility that Ethereum drops all the way back down? Yes, but I don't see the bearishness. I don't see the bearish reversal. Yeah, I just don't see it yet. So, but of course, like I was saying, if we come back down here, this whole thing could actually be a big mountain range. We could still head lower. There's that danger as well. So we're just not too sure. Things are very uncertain in the world of crypto right now. So we're just trading very carefully. Next would be XRP. XRP against USDT. Where are we? Yeah, so for XRP against USDT, we have a target over here, 1650. We're anticipating the completion of a head and shoulders, right? And then we fall over. This is also a descending triangle. Can you see it? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, pam. Consolidation over here. Left shoulder, head. I think we're getting a right shoulder. And then, yeah, more likely than not, we should be heading towards 1650. So, yeah, that's where we stand for XRP. But in terms of tradability, yeah, this is too small, right? This is like a proper length type of a left shoulder. And this is like so short. So, I don't know about this. In terms of quality, it's not really considered high quality. High quality will probably be like a 8 over 10 or 9 over 10 or a 10 over or out of a 10 type of a chart pattern. But yeah, no, not really. This is like maybe a 6 and below. Yeah, it just doesn't conform that nice. So there you go. A little bit difficult. Not to say it can't be traded, but it's a bit hard. So that's XRP though. Not just XRP, but Ethereum and Bitcoin. We were just looking at it. Yeah, same thing as well, right? We're above the skinny pink line. We're expecting to stay above the skinny pink line. Best case scenario is we, break up towards the upside, but the possibility still remains that we could still hit lower. So, not too sure. We're not too sure. So we're being very cautious about jumping into any trade for XRP BTC. We're being very, very cautious. Very cautious. So yeah. Next will be Cardano. Hey, did we miss BNB? Okay, BNB. BNB USDT. Yes, sir. So for BNB against USDT, look at this. There's a very clear support over here. We tested it once, twice. Every time we go up, we get pulled down, up, we get pulled down, up, we get pulled down, up, we get pulled all the way back down to support. So there is actually tremendous selling pressure pulling Binance's price lower. And we still feel, it feels to me like we're already breaking the support. And if we do break support, there's a potential for us to drop to 173. And after that, potentially 122. Will we drop? I mean, if 122, will we drop to 100? There is that possibility as well, because there's zero. This is same. I feel Binance has the, there's a danger that Binance could face the same fate as FTT, right? FTT against USD. If you look at it, let's look at it on Bitfinex, right? Look at this. Zero. There's zero support over here, and we were talking about it in our FTT collapse video. That, yeah, we could drop to zero. That's the danger. And so BNB has that potential as well. So it's scary. It's really scary. I don't know, we'll see. But the bearish chart pattern is not so clear. FTT had a very nice head and shoulders, but there's no head and shoulders over here. So, but yeah, Binance could be safe. It could actually be safe. Moreover, Binance against BTC is already out of the consolidation, right? This was a double mountain, something. You can consider this as a cup and handle if you want to, but to me this is a, double valley and then pump. We've broken out. We've hit targets. We've had these targets for some time for BNB. And yeah, we've hit targets, I think, since September, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Show this thread. BNB is just cruising through live. Yeah, we had this target. Hey, where is this? Yeah, we had this target for some time though. So we've already hit it. Anyway, what's next? We're not too sure. We're not exactly collapsing as well. So that's a good sign. There is some support over here. So we might drop to this area. Maybe sub 0.015. Hopefully, we get some sort of a consolidation and we break higher. That's the hope that we have for BNB. But again, we'll have to take things one step at a time, right? If BNB collapses to 200, 100 something, then potentially it could be dropping lower as well. And this whole thing, if we really do break support, it's going to be brutal, because this whole thing could become head and shoulders. Can you see it? We could be collapsing from here. So there's that danger as well. Again, still very far away. We're not too sure. We're not exactly collapsing. So if anything, this could be a consolidation for more upside. We'll have to see how it goes. We shall have to see. Cardano, ADA, BDC. So ADA against BDC. Here we are. You know, is this an AB, CDE? Right? We break higher. I don't know. I don't know. I can't say for sure. This whole thing could be another wave lower. Right? But will be good though. I think this whole thing could be a falling channel. And eventually, once we break, you know, we could see some breakout towards the upside. Not too sure. Again, we're still under the skinny pink line. So yeah, I mean, if we had a consolidation like this, right, and the skinny pink line was something like this, right, and this was above the skinny pink line, then yeah, sure, we will be more inclined to call the possibility, you know, higher possibility of it continuing bullishly towards the upside. Is there a breakout towards the bullish side? But we're under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still bearish, so things can still go wrong. It might look bullish, but it can still go wrong. We need BTC to switch bullish though. If BTC is bearish, then yeah, Cardano could be staying bearish as well. So we're just not too sure. We're not too sure. So we're being very cautious about rushing into anything. Very, very cautious. Right, ADA against USDT. We had a target over here at 26 cents. We had this target since the 14th of September. That was like 2 months, more than 2 months ago. And yeah, we're heading towards target, right? It's not, again, it's not always one straight line down, right? You might think that it's so easy, but no, what happened? We rallied. After we rallied, pump, now we're back down. So yeah, we're heading towards target. 26 cents is just not too far away. We're 30 cents, another 4 cents more to go. Will we see some sort of a reversal after that? Right? There is that possibility though. ADA could be reversing, right? And if ADA starts reversing for the USD pair bullishly, very likely we're going to see it reflected on the BTC pair as well. So I'm hoping that happens, but yeah, again, we have to take things one step at a time. I don't think it's wise to be opening shorts here because we're so close to targets. So close. So yeah, and we're severely oversold. So yeah, there you go. Even this even looks like a double bullish divergence, right? This is a higher low on the MACD, higher low on the, potentially higher low on the RSI. So we may not even hit targets though. Right. This could even turn into a triple bullish divergence. I mean, you could see something like this. Right. And then we could get an inverse head and shoulders. See how things play out? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Boom! To the moon! We could get something like that. But again, one step at a time for ADA. One step at a time. Dogecoin, Doge BTC. So for Dogecoin, yeah, we're above the skinny pink line. So if anything, we are anticipating the bullishness to continue. This is not a bearish reversal. So if anything, yeah, we're expecting the bullishness to continue. Not too sure though, not too sure. Doge against USDT. Yeah, if Doge does collapse, it's going to collapse to 0.014. This is where the next area of support is because there is absolute zero support until we hit 0.014. We're at 0.07. So there is that danger. If the support doesn't hold over here, that's it. Sayonara, we're going down. But there's also the possibility we could be consolidating sideways, right? And then we go higher. So it all depends on Papa Elon. If Papa Elon plays his cards right, then yeah, we could be reversing back up. This was quite good though, right? Breaking above the skinny pink line. But yeah, no. We could be getting a head and shoulders. Nope. It could be getting lower, going lower towards 0.014, right? So there's still danger. Dogecoin. After that will be MATIC. Where's MATIC? MATIC BTC. Yeah, MATIC is really above the resistance, right? Right now we're at support. Resistance once broken becomes support. We're at support, so are we gonna keep hitting support? Hit. And then we could be hitting lower. Heading lower, right? But for MATIC, we have a target over here at 0.000010980. From where we are to target is about another 100% for MATIC, right? If MATIC BTC rises 100%, very likely MATIC USDT will be rising 100% as well. But MATIC USDT doesn't look that good. Why? Because this looks to me like a like a head and shoulders. You see it? It's bad, it's bad, it's bad. Left shoulder, right head. We could be getting a right shoulder, palm. It's not good. It's not good. We attempted to break the skinny pink line, but we failed, right? I mean, of course, if we could just stay above here, consolidate right at the skinny pink line, and then break higher, best case scenario. But we're not too sure, right? MATIC could still hit all the way down, 45 cents, and form a very nice support over here, right? Being touched 3 times with 2 mountains. We could get a 3rd mountain, 4th maybe. Boom! MATIC could be heading lower. So there is that danger as well. We're not too sure, so we have to take things one step at a time. Yeah, the bearish reversal chart pattern is real. It could happen, but yeah, again, we have to take things one step at a time. So, you know, 45 cents is quite a lot though. How many percent? Yes, 44%. So yeah, we'll see how it goes first. We'll see how it goes first. There's just no clear high quality tradable chart pattern. You know, this is not an 8 and above. This is like a maybe 5 or 6. Yeah, it's just not really that good, not yet. And so yeah, be careful about rushing into anything. The top 10 is a little bit suspicious. Not much is happening. Only BTC has clear targets towards the downside. So while BTC is still in its bearish state, we have to be patient and we have to wait for BTC to finish its move towards the downside. If we were to see some sort of a bullish reversal, then of course we will be making changes as it happens. But yeah, Bitcoin is severely oversold, so be careful about rushing into anything, into any trade at all at this point of time. Keep your cash, wait for the opportunity to present itself, then only do we make a move. So yeah, there you go. That's my take for today. Hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.